In this video, the Department of Older Adults are showing an older adult how to make the microwave more accessible by using bump dot stickers applied to the keypad of her microwave.
I use these buttons right here. See, this is 1, 2, 3 and seconds, 30 seconds, and up to 5. Those are automatics. That's what I use most because the rest of it I can't read. Except potato. I know where potato is.
What about 1, 5, and 3, Tony?
Yes.
There's a clear dot on 1.
Okay.
There's a clear dot on 3.
Okay.
And there's 1 on 5. So you know the 2's in the up above the 5.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And you know 4 is to the left and 6 is to the right.
Okay.
And I'll put a big button. It's a much larger, but
Okay.
it's still clear
Okay.
on your clear button.
Okay. Okay, that shuts it off, no matter what I want to do. Oh. Oh, that's...
See how big that is? And then the other
Oh,
ones are
that's
little?
nice.
You can barely see them, but
Yeah.
you can definitely feel them.
Blindness Support Services Department of Older Adults presents bump dots for the microwave. Visit us at www.blindnessupport.com. 3696 Beatty Drive, Riverside, California, 92506. Phone 951-341-9244. Thanks for watching.